这模不大行。已经开始。
Hello everyone, this is Grace. In today's live show, we will talk about the after-sales service of Vertical Motion Center.
Hi everyone, this is Chriswell.
And for today's live show, we have three parts. The first part is machine warranty, and the second part is our warehouse, and the third part is our installation.
Yes, and for today's live show, we are going to talk about mainly focused on the machine's after-sales service terms. So it's the three parts you see in our screen. And the after-sales service terms including many different aspects. For example, before our product ship out to our client, it's also considered as after service. So we are going to introduce you about the warranty terms about our Vertical Machine Center. So our warranty term is about 1 year long, and it starts right after when you purchase and you confirm to buy the machine from us, and after signing the contract, the warranty is started.
I think your after-sales service, your warranty is 1 year. But if my machine damaged after 1 year, what can you help me?
Yes. Our warranty term is 1 year, which including free change of the machine peers, and we provide you free technical support from our engineer. But after 1 year, we are also responsibility for your machine's damage. If you got damage and you want to change your machine parts, you can contact with us and we will supply you the machine peers you need, but with an extra charge of money. Also, if you need technical support, we can do that with our engineer, but with a slight charge of money.
Yeah, I think we have 1 year warranty, and we have lifetime maintenance.
Yes.
Yeah.
So when you buy the machine from us, we are basically responsible for it as long as you are using it. So you can consult and you can keep in touch with us if you need support about the machine.
Yes. I saw this picture is some finished machine in our factory. So I think you can deliver the machine so quickly to our customers.
Yes, all these machine parts are restored in the inventory warehouse in separated parts. So this is the inventory side, which all the parts are separate, and we have our specialist employee to maintain the machine in good condition. So when they assemblize the machine into a integral part, it will be fully operational.
Yeah. So many parts in your factory.
Yes.
And I think here is some more finished machine. So.
Yes, over there are finished machines, and here you can see our assembly lines. Our workers are putting all the machine parts together.
Yes. before the machine delivery, we will do some tests with the machine, like 70 and 2 hours machine test.
This is also the inventory side, and as you can see in these two pictures, this is our machine's main frame, which is the so-called 5 main parts, right?
Right. And for the left picture, we can see some part from PMI. Do you know why we punch these parts from some famous brand?
Because they have the best quality machine parts all over the globe. So we are looking to ensure our customers' rights, and we can produce our machine in the best quality we can. So we purchase some of the parts from other company and suppliers.
Here is also some semi-finished machine, and I saw this picture. It shows the 5 main parts, right? Do you
Yes.
know? Do you know what is the 5 main parts?
Okay, the 5 main part basically includes the base of the machine, which I have with my red lights, and 2 sandals. Also, the most distinguished part is the workbench and this column over here.
I think this is the spindle box.
Yes, spindle box. Okay, for these parts, you can see these photos are shooted in our factory. So we manufacture most of the machine parts by ourselves. For example, the 5 main parts, the machine frame, we are processing the sandals I can see over here, and we have so many large machineries with Ali's energy technology not only sells vertical machine center, but also many large machinery like this, and we have a gantry milling drilling machine and
Sewing machine and CNC lathe machine.
yes, all sorts of machines, and we use our large machinery to produce the smaller size vertical machine parts, like the 5 main parts and the main frames. So our manufacturing matches a high standard in the vertical machine center industries. We ensure the machine parts quality by ourselves, which matches the most high standard in the global industry requirements.
Yes, all 5 main parts need to heat treatment and quenching, and we usually need milling and boring and grinding for this part.
Yes, many procedures and process went through during these manufacture of the machine parts, and when you assemblize the parts together to get a whole size of vertical machine center, the customers usually can't see the parts details in when they receive the machine. So we can ensure you our machine part is brand new, and we are manufacturing them by ourselves, so the quality can be ensured and the accuracy can be ensured.
Yes, this is why the price of vertical machine center is so different from from us and other companies.
And some also I want to point out some foreigner machine dealers and smaller size company they usually purchase and buy machine parts from us so they can assemblize machine by themselves. So the machine parts are not matches with all the other parts of their machine.
Yes, they usually buy 5 main parts and sell them to their customers.
Yes.
This is our machining equipment. We will use this machine to process our small part of vertical machine center. This is a sensing machine, I think. And do you know what's this?
This is the sandal, right? This is a sandal on base, and this is our machine column,
Yeah.
which we mentioned before. It's our 5 main parts in the machine frame.
And this is the machine base.
Yes. As you can see, all these machine parts details, the touching surface went through the milling process our large machinery did before. As you can see, the large milling machine to process the base and the sandal. You can see the touch surface is very smooth and it actually reflects light.
Yes, we have so large milling machine and grinding machine in our factory. And when the epidemic is over, you can come to China and visit our factory by your own eyes.
Mm.
We have so many machine parts installed.
And you can see in these 2 details of the main parts, the drilling holes and the spray painting over our main parts machine are very substantial in the industrial quality. For instance, the spring paint, we use the automobile industry standard in our machine frame. So the paint in our machine is nearly impossible to stain or get, it's very strong and tough.
This is also the fireman part, and we also have so many semi-finished machine in our factory. So if you want to punch vertical machine center, you can leave some message to us, and we will send more details and send the offer to you. You can see the work drawing is
So smooth and large, and I can see this is our 3-axis machine, right?
Yeah.
This usually used for 3-axis. It can move x rate and y, x, and the horizontal directions.
Yes, we can add the 4th axis and the 5th axis on this machine if you need. This is some spare
Parts.
part is for the vertical machine center, and I think this is three
Claw clamp.
Yeah.
Claw clamp. It holds the vertical machine, and this is usually used in our 4-axis machine, right? 4-axis.
Yeah, and another truck is I think is eight truck,
Oh, 8 truck.
and for this we want to show our spindle and water cooler.
Yes, this is the spindle part of the machine, and this is water cooling system.
I have a question.
Yes.
Do you know what size spindle we usually use?
Okay. First of all, we have multiple type of vertical machines. Like the smallest type we have is 640 and up to 1160. We usually use the spindle size is BT40 to BT60.
Yeah.
And the spindle speed
Oh,
is
no. BT40 and BT30.
BT40 and BT30. And the spindle speed is usually around 8,000 RPM, but we can adjust the spindle speed due to our customer's special demands. But for example, we can improve the spindle speed if our clients have the requirement up to like 12,000 or even 24,000. But it is going to cost you extra money to pay for the improvement of the spindle speed.
Yes, if you have if you have more budget, you can improve the spindle speed.
Or if your workpiece demands on such a high speed rate, so we can adjust that for you.
Yeah. I see I see there are some stickers on your machine.
The stickers, yes. All of the machine are we attach safety stickers attached on the machine to inform our customers and the monitors some safety terms and also to ensure you our machine is brand new and it's just come out the factory. So the safety sticker is required by many agents and associations. So sticker is must be attached on the machine before we deliver the machine.
Yes. For this, we want to introduce the automatic tools change.
Yes, which in short terms we use ATC for this equipment. And in our factory we use mainly three different ATC. This is our disk type because it looks like a disk and it usually can hold 20 set of tools. 20 set of tools in our disk type ATC. And next you will see this is our line type ATC. It can usually hold 16 sets of tools. And this line type ATC it's usually attached to the C type VMC of our machine, right?
I think the line type ATC usually used for CNC milling machine.
CNC milling machine.
And for C type CNC vertical machine center, we usually use this type ATC.
24 set of tools.
Yes.
For C type.
Yes. And for vertical machine for VMC 650, we usually the tools usually the
ATC?
the tools usually
A type or B type?
no, the tools usually use the 18 tools.
18 tools.
Yes, and for other large machine, we usually use 24 tools for the ATC.
And this is our control systems. We have many control systems available due to your special demands. For such instance, we have our national brands such as Cynics and others. And for more substantial type, we have Siemens B28D, and our standard control system is Siemens 808D.
Yes.
And the Phonox system is also optional if you want to use that.
Yes.
This is Phonak system.
This is a Chinese. No. This is a Japanese brand. And then we have some level 2 control system like Mitsubishi is also a Japanese brand, and Yaskawa and some other brand control system.
Yes.
And we also have some Chinese brand control system like Landline control system. I think it's also a good choice for you. And GSK, Kennedy, and Syntec control system. And for the CNC milling machine, we usually use the Landline and Syntec control system. And for some CNC lathe machine, we usually use the GSK control system. For these pictures, we also want to show you our spare part in our factory. Do you know what's this?
This is the base and the travel length under our workbench.
Yes, we usually use a linear guide and some gears.
Gears?
Yeah.
Some gears and inner guide for the X and Y travel lengths.
Yes.
This is also the
Do you know what brand we usually use for the linear guide?
the very good brand.
Yes, I think we usually use PMI and Hawaii brand. It's also there are also some famous brand in all over the world. This is PMI machine part.
Yes, PMI brand.
Yeah. These are some tools in the
If your machine is under 1 year warranty, you can ask for change of peers and tools you need when your machine got damaged, and we will ship out the equipment you need for free, and we will provide you the most good quality tech support if you need for free under the warranty terms. And after the warranty, your machine is also guaranteed for a lifelong maintenance, as we mentioned before. So we are responsible for your machine's damage and technical support. If you need, you can just contact with us, but it will charge you a slight off cost.
yes, with commission center from us, and they want us to help them to punch some tools. So we punch some tools for our friend. If you need some help, we also can help you to punch some spare parts.
Yes.
And then for the second part, we want to introduce our delivery for the weight commotion center. This is the packaging of weight commotion center, and if you buy if you want to set a water commission center, we usually packaging it into the wooden box. And if you only buy, if you buy one set of water commission center, we usually packaging it by wooden box. And if you buy more than one set water commission center, like 2 set or 3 set, we usually packaging it to the 20 GP and deliver it to you. And we usually send some pictures of the packaging details to you when our when we be, when we when we shipping the machine. Here is some packaging details for the water commercial center. You can see our engineers uh, to
Yes, the engineer is packing the internal structure of the machine and to ensure they won't be damaged during the shipping delivery process.
yes. So this is the packaging of the water commercial center for our Europe customers.
We usually ship out our equipment. We put all the internal parts in boxes and put it inside the external structure of the machine, and we wrap the entire machine in plastic or in one big cabinet. The cabinet is about 40 feet long, so it will be able to maintain three sets of the machine. This is the machine we ship out to our European friend, Europe friend, in
And
Arabia.
this month they want to punch some spare parts from us. And for the last part we want and for the last part we want to show our installation.
So in our service, after sale service term, we usually include the free tech support on field before the global pandemic. So we can send our engineers overseas to your region to help you install the machine and set up the equipment, and also to train your engineer and employee to monitor the machine by themselves. But during this pandemic situation, our engineer won't be able to go abroad to help you set up the machine and do the on-field tech support. But we still offers online technical support. So if you have any questions when you receive the machine and when you have difficulties to install and to adjust the equipment, you can always consult us and ask our engineer to video chat with you or to start a group chat to support you and walk you through all the concerns and difficulties.
Yes. Is it for free?
During the warranty terms, yes, for free of changing machine parts and technical support. But if you want our engineer to go on the field to go to your region to help you set up the equipment, it will charge you a slight of cost. It's usually $90 per day, and you are responsible for our engineer's living condition, and you are in charge of his flights and all sorts of cost.
Yes. If you need our engineers to go to your factory and installation and testing the machine, we need some more money for our engineers. This is in our Indian customers factory. We can pro if the epidemic is over, we can provide our engineers to go to your factory, and if and during the epidemic, we usually provide some online support to you. So this is 5-axis vertical motion center.
Yes. And this is our engineer support doing tech support online. So they send pictures to you, and you can see how to set up the equipment.
Yes. You can you can if you buy this machine you can see these pictures then you can installation some parts for the vertical motion center.
Yes.
And thank you for your watching our living show.
If you have any concerns or questions, please comment below or leave your contact information on the website so we can have our sales to contact you.
Yes. Thank you. Bye.
知道我们结束了是吧？你是可以从外面知道我们结束吗？